Okay.
All right, we're on our way to Plant City this morning. It's 7:28. We're gonna make our normal stop in Bartow, which is only about 45 minutes away, and then from there it's, I think, probably less than a half an hour. So
all right.
This is gonna be a good one there. I hope we get to see a lot of things there and a lot of people there.
Me
I'm
too.
so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Here we are in Plant City. I dropped off Debbie right there and got a place to park. Getting ready to go in. It's 9:20. Got here early. You doing some repairs on that, baby?
Yeah.
The thing's coming apart, huh?
Yeah, I gotta get a washer.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here we are inside. There's Debbie right there. Okay. All right, so here we go. Start over this way. Oh, I see some nice buildings over there. And I see the bridge guy way over on the other side over here. So I'm going to go that way. And they got raffle tickets here. Okay, here's the bridges. All right. Okay. That's an N scale one right there. Oh my goodness, that's a nice one. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Howdy.
Good to see you. All right, a lot. Look at all these. My goodness.
Let's see what's left. Personal.
And over here, you'll see it on the Monday Night Live stream. I bought well, I'm not going to say what I bought, but this is where I bought all this stuff last week. So I end up spending all my money with this gentleman right here. Okay. So I got to find Debbie so I could put what I have in my hand in her little push-around cart. Here's some Oxford vehicles from the 40s and 50s. But I have enough already. All right. A lot of BLI. $400, $329, $299, $229, $199, $175. All right. Oh, there's some people over here. Oh, there's some horses. I was just thinking, I got all kind of cows, but I don't have any horses. There's a farmhouse. I got that farmhouse. Laser Arts. Okay. I got a bunch of these that I bought many, many years ago. Probably at that price right there. Okay. Now here's some G-scale stuff. And some more HO. Walther's kits. Oh my goodness. And there is Debbie. Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good. How are you today?
Oh, not. All right. Well, a nice looking equipment. That looks a little bit too big for HO scale, though. Is that HO scale? It says HO scale. All right. So More Walthers kits. Walthers. Here's Trevor's Train Store. Orlando. Alright. A continuation of Trevor's Train Store. $150 for that. 100 for the Santa Fe. 175, 225, 100. All right. Got a lot of locomotives. $150, $160, $185. All right, look at this one. $200 right there.
That's my $5 bill.
Here's the DC only ones. Okay. We got to find something for Debbie because she's interested in N skill. She's on the prowl today. She told me about something we went back to look at and somebody already bought it. You can't hesitate when you want something. You got to get it right there.
I know, I was looking at this, not yet.
Our three are grown and ungrown.
Okay, here we go with some LGB. All right. 75, 65, 225. Here's an electric. Steam locomotive, 250. 325. All right. Good deal. Some Markland stuff. All right. Legos. Greater Florida Legos Users Group. They always have a lot of nice looking stuff. Okay, there's the beach. All right. There's the 7-Eleven. All right, a lot of good stuff over here. Okay, here's all the O scale. This is Wes over here. He's absent right now. And Paul is at the other end. I see Debbie back there. I gotta find Debbie and let her know about. I found some N scale stuff for her. Here's a line in. A view from the back. All right. Pretty good show. I bought a few things. Debbie was interested in a few things.
Yeah, people was nice.
Yeah, people was nice. Alright. Andy Zimmerman ran into Debbie, but I think I'll see if he's on the... I think he's in one of the other rooms. They were judging some models over there. So there's Lloyd. Ran into him earlier. He was at the last show too. Okay. All right. How'd you like the show, Debbie?
I really like it. The people were so nice here.
Yeah, that's good.
And the lady got me in a chair.
All right, good
Yeah.
deal. Then you got your muffin.
I got some big muffins. I thought only one, but then they bring out some more, so I got another one.
Okay.
One for me and one for you.
Okay, so they got the muffin table over there.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is Wes's table all the way down there. Paul is manning this table here, all the way down to the end. And then the bridge guy is on the left-hand side. We talked to him earlier. And let me see, who else? Oh yeah, and where I got one thing that we're going to see Monday night from the gentleman leaning up against the chair back down there, talking to the guy in the blue t-shirt. And then Frank over there, he told me about a kit that he has, but he didn't have it here. He just showed me a picture of it. So maybe the next show at Zitnik's, we'll get to see it. All right. I met with Logan Zimmerman, who is Senior Chief Andy Zimmerman's son, who works for PR USA Research, who makes 3D printers. I'll have more on this on the Monday night live stream for you.
Bring my suitcase.
I got distracted.
Oh.
But I made it. And here's the gentleman that does the
Hello.
suitcase.
Hello, YouTube world.
Okay, all right. Take care. We'll see you again next time.
Take it easy.
All right.